I am Sadie and I'm with CDL Life. With COVID, we're still hearing from drivers all the time. They're having trouble accessing fresh food. All of the salad bars are shut down. All the sit-down restaurants at truck stops are shut down. Most of the fresh meal options that were, single serve are no longer available. Some restaurants that have carry-out food, they still have limited hours. So if you're a driver who runs, later in the evening or things like that, you're still going to have trouble accessing fresh food.
My name is Brittany Richardson. I've been a truck driver for over 8 years over the road. So we're out here today giving away food to truck drivers as a thank you for what they're doing during the COVID-19.
It's kind of hard to get a healthy meal right now. I mean, you're eating junk food all the time. Just trying to get a fresh, hot meal is hard.
I'll stop at national retailers a lot of times if there's truck parking and go in and do my shopping and stock up. And some stores are limiting the number of people that go into the store. And there are long lines outside the store. And one thing I'm concerned about as a driver is time. I mean, we're on tight crunches out here and we don't have time to stay in line for hours to get in someplace and get food.
The hardest part is when you have to do a 10-hour reset, finding a place to get food if you don't have food in your truck. It's just finding who's open. There's a lot of shutdowns.
What we're hoping to do is get a trailer full of food and go coast to coast giving food away to truck drivers.
Every dollar you donate goes toward meals for drivers.
We want to do this just as a way to say thank you for putting yourselves at risk and serving our country during this time.
Because drivers are on the front line right now. They are delivering all the groceries, medical supplies, all the things that we need on a day-to-day basis. We need to make sure that they at least have access to food. Donate now.
And help us fuel America's drivers.